I kind of wanted to go like this. This is my goal right here.
Don't play with it, don't be dishonest. Ay, still not understanding.
Hey, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Shay, and today I'm going to be doing a wig review. You guys are going to kind of watch me do it. So, this is the hair that I bought, and I got it from Amazon, and it came in yesterday, but I haven't done nothing to it. So I was like, this is the perfect opportunity for me to do a hair video, because I've always wanted to do hair videos, but child, I would never record. So this is what I got, and I will leave the link below so you guys can purchase if you guys like it. But this is the hair. You know, it's summer, it's pretty hot, and I cannot do the long hair. I need to do short. So that's what it looks like. I haven't opened it yet, really. It's the lace, looking pretty good. And yeah, it's pretty affordable, so you know, I'm always looking for ways to look good on a budget. Okay, this economy is terrible, so we gotta be saving our money. But okay, this is what it looks like. Wow, I actually like it. It's very soft. You guys can see. I'm gonna show you guys the lace. I don't know the description of this. I should have looked. So I'll actually like write it down somewhere here. But yeah, I'm just gonna get started on tweezing it just so I can lay it so you guys can see what it looks like. But so far, I like her. I'm gonna put it on just so we can see what it looks like without me doing anything to it. But so far, I like it. I like how it looks. Looks very shiny. I think it's human hair. So far, it's beautiful. I think this red might be a little bit brighter than the reds I've done. I don't know. It's supposed to be like a burgundy. And it does get burgundy, but it looks a little bit bright. Like I would have liked it a little bit darker, but it's okay. It is okay. And I feel like it was cut. You can definitely tell that it was cut. So I'm gonna straighten it and everything. And yeah. Okay, we're gonna get started on her and we'll be right back. Okay, so I put it on just so we can see. It's definitely short, but this is what I wanted. I wanted it to be more natural. And it looks crazy right now, but we're gonna style it so it can look cute. So far, I like it. I don't know. It's very soft. Like, yeah. Does it shed? I don't know. I don't think it sheds that much. But yeah, there's like not that much shedding. Like, yeah, you can like flip it. I like it a lot because it can kind of give like a natural hair vibe. And that's really what I want. I want a natural hair vibe. So I can definitely work with this. And yeah, I can see it being cute, y'all. It looks crazy right now, actually. It looks crazy, but I see the vision. I see the vision. I'm gonna do this hair and then I'll be right back. Please do not judge my mannequin. I have two. I should have brought the other one, but I have two mannequins, but this is the only one I can find. Okay, we're gonna get started on her. Yeah, she looks cute on the mannequin. Like, I'm not gonna lie.
Ooh, stiff what? Stiff what?
Okay, we're gonna get started. Do I even have a brush? Okay, hold on. I'm gonna get a comb or something. Yeah. I know you guys can't really see it, but we're getting somewhere, y'all. Trying to make it look as natural as I can. Yeah, it's gonna take a while, but I kind of wanted to go like this. This is my goal right here. Try to go like that. So I gotta maybe curl it. Or I don't even know. Does it look cute like this? Let's try the other side now. And I have to still do the back.